Introduction to Pressotherapy. Pressotherapy is a non-invasive therapeutic technique that utilizes controlled air pressure to stimulate the lymphatic system, promote circulation, and alleviate various conditions. It is widely used across wellness, beauty, and medical industries due to its versatility and effectiveness. Originating in the mid-20th century as a medical treatment for lymphatic issues, pressotherapy later gained popularity for cosmetic and wellness applications. Today, it is commonly found in spas, medical clinics, and wellness centers globally, with an estimated market value projected to grow significantly. How pressotherapy works. Pressotherapy operates by employing a series of inflatable garments, such as sleeves, pants, or boots, which apply controlled air pressure to specific body areas. These garments connect to a machine that generates the necessary air pressure to stimulate underlying tissues and blood vessels. The garments inflate and deflate in a controlled, rhythmic sequence, mimicking a gentle massage-like motion. This action effectively improves circulation, reduces fluid retention, and facilitates the body's natural detoxification processes, targeting areas like the legs, arms, and abdomen. Mechanism of compression. The core mechanism of pressotherapy is based on the principle of compression, where the machine inflates cuffs to apply pressure to specific body areas. This pressure helps to move stagnant fluid and waste products from interstitial spaces back into the circulatory system. The repeated compression and decompression cycles significantly enhance the body's natural lymphatic drainage, increasing blood flow and stimulating toxin removal. This process promotes healthier skin, reduces inflammation, and accelerates the healing of injuries or muscle soreness, often reducing recovery time by up to 50% for athletes. Enhancing lymphatic drainage. A key principle of pressotherapy is its ability to significantly enhance lymphatic drainage, a crucial function of the body's immune system. The lymphatic system is responsible for removing toxins, waste products, and excess fluid from tissues. When the lymphatic system becomes sluggish or overwhelmed, it can lead to various health issues such as swelling, water retention, and skin problems. Pressotherapy stimulates lymph flow, aiding in the removal of unwanted substances and promoting overall health, with studies showing a notable reduction in limb volume for lymphedema patients. Treating edema and cellulite. One of pressotherapy's most common applications is in treating edema, which is the accumulation of excess fluid in tissues causing swelling. Edema can result from injury, surgery, pregnancy, or medical conditions like heart failure. Pressotherapy helps relieve edema symptoms by applying gentle pressure to affected areas, facilitating fluid movement back into the bloodstream, reducing swelling and discomfort. It also effectively combats cellulite, the dimpled skin caused by fat accumulation, by improving blood flow and breaking down fatty deposits, with some studies showing up to a 20% reduction in cellulite appearance after consistent treatments. Sports recovery and aesthetics. Pressotherapy is widely used in sports recovery and muscle rehabilitation, particularly for athletes experiencing soreness and fatigue after intense physical activities. It improves circulation, reduces inflammation, and relieves muscle tension. The therapy promotes the removal of metabolic waste products, such as lactic acid, from muscles, helping athletes recover faster and perform better. Furthermore, it's popular in cosmetic and wellness treatments for body contouring and weight loss, aiding in toxin elimination and reducing bloating, with many athletes reporting a 30% faster return to peak performance. Real-life benefits and duration. Sarah, a 35-year-old, struggled with chronic leg swelling after a long-haul flight. After a series of pressotherapy sessions, she experienced significant improvement, with reduced swelling and increased energy, highlighting its value for fluid retention. John, a marathon runner, incorporates pressotherapy into his post-race recovery routine to combat muscle soreness and fatigue. He observed faster recovery times and improved muscle flexibility, demonstrating its efficacy in enhancing athletic performance. Typical sessions last 30 to 45 minutes, with cumulative results becoming noticeable after multiple treatments. Principles of Pressotherapy. Understanding Pressotherapy's principles is crucial for both practitioners and clients. The therapy is rooted in the scientific understanding of how external pressure influences the body's circulatory and lymphatic systems, leading to various health and aesthetic benefits. Pressotherapy operates on the fundamental idea of compression therapy, where pneumatic garments apply external pressure to assist the flow of blood and lymph. This leads to improved detoxification, enhanced skin texture, and quicker recovery times after physical exertion, often reducing muscle recovery time by 25%. Lymphatic system stimulation. One of Pressotherapy's key principles is its profound effect on the lymphatic system, which is pivotal for removing waste and toxins. This system, composed of vessels and nodes, transports lymph fluid containing immune cells and metabolic waste throughout the body. Unlike the circulatory system, the lymphatic system relies on external forces like muscle contractions or massage for lymph movement. Pressotherapy mimics these natural movements, stimulating the system to prevent fluid buildup, boost immune function, and promote detoxification, with studies showing a 15% increase in lymphatic flow. Venous return and skin health. Beyond lymphatic drainage, Pressotherapy significantly promotes venous return, the process of blood flowing back to the heart from the lower extremities. Poor venous return can lead to varicose veins, spider veins, and other circulatory issues. By applying intermittent compression, Pressotherapy stimulates blood flow back toward the heart, improving overall circulation and reducing vascular issues, which is especially beneficial for sedentary individuals. It also enhances skin appearance by improving blood flow to affected areas, encouraging fat deposit breakdown, and stimulating tissue, leading to enhanced skin elasticity and smoother texture. Wellness and recovery applications. Pressotherapy offers general wellness benefits, including improved overall circulation, relaxation, and stress reduction. By encouraging better blood and lymphatic flow, it helps maintain the body's balance, preventing toxin buildup and promoting better health. Clients often report feeling more energetic with improved mental clarity and physical vitality. Jennifer, a 40-year-old office worker, found significant relief from swollen ankles and fatigue after long hours, experiencing reduced swelling and improved energy levels after sessions. Contraindications and safety. While Pressotherapy offers numerous benefits, it is not suitable for everyone. Individuals with certain medical conditions must avoid this treatment, as applying external pressure can significantly impact circulation and fluid balance. Key contraindications include deep vein thrombosis, DVT, active infections, severe cardiovascular conditions like heart disease or uncontrolled hypertension, and pregnancy, especially during the first trimester. A thorough consultation with a trained professional is essential to ensure client safety and suitability for treatment. Detailed operations overview. Pressotherapy is a highly effective, non-invasive treatment method that stimulates lymphatic drainage, enhances circulation, and promotes overall wellness. Its therapeutic technique involves specialized equipment, applying air pressure through inflatable garments. This module provides a detailed understanding of Pressotherapy operations, focusing on the equipment, the precise treatment process, and the necessary operational steps to deliver effective treatments. Proper execution ensures both safety and optimal results for the client. Key equipment components. Understanding Pressotherapy systems begins with recognizing their key components. The Pressotherapy machine typically consists of a control unit that generates and regulates air pressure, and inflatable garments worn by the client. The control unit houses a compressor that generates airflow to the garments, which are designed to fit various body parts like legs, arms, and abdomen. These garments are connected to the control unit via hoses, allowing for precise air transfer to inflate and deflate the cuffs. Customizing treatment settings. A crucial aspect of pressotherapy is the ability to customize settings to suit individual client needs. The pressure applied during a session is adjustable, allowing practitioners to tailor the treatment to the client's comfort and specific requirements. The control unit offers various pressure settings, which can be increased for muscular areas like thighs or decreased for sensitive areas such as the abdomen. Session duration is also customizable, typically 30 to 45 minutes, and some machines allow adjustment of inflation time for different compression cycles, providing up to 10 distinct programs. Session flow and client monitoring. Once settings are adjusted, the pressotherapy machine begins inflating the garments in cycles, gradually reaching the selected pressure before deflating. This alternating pressure cycle simulates the heart's natural rhythm, stimulating blood and lymphatic flow. During a session, clients may feel pressure, tightness, or a mild tingling warmth as circulation improves. Practitioners must regularly check client comfort, adjusting pressure if needed. After the session, garments are carefully deflated, and clients can return to normal activities immediately, as there is no downtime. Technical parameters. Pressure. The air pressure is the most critical technical parameter in pressotherapy, responsible for applying the compression that stimulates circulation and lymphatic flow. Pressure settings are adjustable, varying based on client needs and treatment goals. Pressure is typically measured in millimeters of mercury, mmHg, or hectopascals, HPa, with a common range of 30 to 120 millimeters of mercury. Lower pressures, 30 to 50 millimeters of mercury, are used for delicate areas or sensitive skin, while higher pressures, 80 to 120 millimeters of mercury, target greater muscle mass for deeper stimulation. Technical parameters. Timing and modes. Another critical technical parameter is the timing of the treatment, referring to how long inflatable garments remain inflated before deflating. This inflation time, typically measured in seconds, creates the rhythmic massaging effect that stimulates circulation. Most machines offer a sequential mode, inflating garments from feet/hands upward, mimicking natural circulatory flow. Dynamic or pulsing modes alternate pressure for muscle recovery, while static mode applies constant pressure to targeted areas for sustained swelling reduction or detoxification. Session duration and advanced settings. Session duration is another technical parameter affecting treatment outcomes, typically lasting 30 to 45 minutes, though adjustable based on client condition and goals. Shorter sessions suit new clients or those seeking quick relief, while longer ones offer intensive treatments like cellulite reduction. Many machines offer advanced settings, such as adjustable compression zones within garments, allowing practitioners to target specific body areas. This is particularly useful for localized swelling or cellulite, enabling focused pressure where most needed, ensuring comfort and safety throughout the session. Pre-treatment consultation essentials. A comprehensive pre-treatment consultation is an essential step to ensure a pressotherapy session is both safe and effective. This phase allows practitioners to gather vital information about the client's health history, goals, and any contraindications. The consultation process also fosters trust and open communication between the client and practitioner, creating an optimal treatment environment. It helps alleviate potential anxieties and sets realistic expectations for the treatment outcomes, with studies showing that clear communication improves client satisfaction by 20%. Client assessment and expectations. During consultation, practitioners must inquire about current symptoms like swelling, cellulite, or muscle soreness to determine target areas and beneficial protocols. Understanding the client's lifestyle and activity level, whether sedentary or athletic, helps tailor the treatment to their specific needs. Assessing physical condition, including varicose veins or muscle tension, is crucial for identifying contraindications or special considerations. It is equally important to set realistic expectations, explaining that pressotherapy is not a miracle cure and often requires multiple sessions combined with a healthy lifestyle for optimal, lasting results. Post-treatment consultation and aftercare. The post-treatment consultation is crucial for assessing the client's immediate response and gathering feedback on the session's effectiveness and comfort. Practitioners should inquire about any sensations, discomfort, or improvements experienced. Aftercare steps are vital to maximize treatment effectiveness. Hydration is paramount. Clients should drink plenty of water to help flush out toxins. Avoiding strenuous physical activity immediately after allows the body to relax and adjust, supporting natural recovery processes. Pressotherapy for lymphedema and CVI. Pressotherapy is highly effective for lymphedema, a condition of abnormal lymphatic fluid buildup, often seen after surgeries like breast cancer treatments. It stimulates lymphatic drainage, moving stagnant fluid from extremities to the torso, alleviating swelling and discomfort. It also benefits chronic venous insufficiency, CVI, where veins struggle to return blood to the heart, causing leg swelling and varicose veins. Compression enhances venous return, reducing swelling, pain, and improving vein function. Sarah, a 45-year-old post-mastectomy patient, experienced significant reduction in arm swelling and increased mobility after treatments. Pressotherapy for sports and detox. In sports medicine, pressotherapy accelerates muscle recovery and injury rehabilitation by improving circulation, reducing tension, and removing metabolic waste like lactic acid. Increased blood flow delivers oxygen and nutrients, reducing inflammation and speeding healing. It also aids detoxification by enhancing the lymphatic system's function, stimulating the movement of toxins from tissues into the bloodstream for elimination. Sigfi, a 28-year-old, reported increased energy and improved digestion after pressotherapy for detoxification, demonstrating its holistic wellness benefits. Troubleshooting equipment issues. Pressotherapy machines require regular maintenance and occasional troubleshooting to ensure optimal and safe functioning. Common issues include air pressure irregularities, such as drops in pressure or uneven distribution, often caused by leaks, compressor malfunctions, or incorrect settings. Other problems include hose or garment blockages from dirt or water, and electrical issues, like the control unit not turning on. Practitioners must inspect hoses for obstructions, check garment integrity, and verify power supply, consulting technical support for internal component failures. Maintenance and documentation. Preventative maintenance is crucial for preventing issues, including routine tasks like checking for leaks, replacing filters, cleaning garments and hoses, and calibrating the air compressor. Practitioners should follow manufacturer guidelines and schedule regular maintenance intervals. Documenting problems and maintenance activities is essential for tracking equipment history, identifying recurring issues, and providing accurate information for repairs. Helen, a practitioner, quickly identified a pressure drop was due to a small hose puncture, highlighting the importance of thorough inspections.